Assalamu alaikum. My dear sisters, Ramadan is coming, and before it comes, I want to ask you something, not as a speaker, not as a teacher, but as a sister who truly cares about your akhirah when Ramadan arrives. Do we only focus on how many juz we completed? Or do we ever stop and ask ourselves, did the Qur'an change my heart? Because the Qur'an was not revealed only to be recited with the tongue. It was revealed to be understood, to be reflected upon, and to be lived. Allah asks us in the Qur'an, do they not reflect upon the Qur'an? Sisters, this question is not for scholars only, it is for you and me. We complain that our hearts feel heavy, we say our iman goes up and down, we say Ramadan comes and goes, but nothing truly changes. But the Qur'an is still there, waiting for us to sit with it. Waiting for us to listen not just with our ears but with our hearts. That is why I want to invite you to something special. Maryam Institute is offering an online Daura-e-Qur'an this Ramadan, with in-depth Qur'anic commentary and spiritual insights, taught in English by Alimah Sobia Hasan. Sisters, this is not just another class. This is an opportunity to spend Ramadan with the Qur'an properly. Ramadan is the month in which the Qur'an was revealed, if not Ramadan. Then when? The Daura-e-Qur'an will start on Tuesday, February 10th, 2026, Monday to Friday, and the timing is AM UK AM EST PM Pakistan. You can sit in your home, open the Qur'an, and allow Allah's words to speak to you verse by verse, message by message. Sisters, we make time for scrolling, we make time for distractions. We make time for everything else, but how often do we say, let me give my time to Allah's words? This Daura-e-Qur'an is not about becoming a scholar, it's about becoming a better Muslimah, a softer heart, a stronger iman, a clearer purpose. Imagine ending this Ramadan saying, I didn't just finish the Qur'an. The Qur'an worked on me. Important reminder, sisters, this Daura-e-Qur'an is taught in English. So if you are looking for an Urdu Daura-e-Qur'an, then don't worry, the next video is for you. Make sure you follow because in the next video I'll be sharing an Urdu Daura-e-Qur'an opportunity for Ramadan, inshallah. Before I end, here's a small but powerful reminder for every Muslimah. Don't wait to become perfect to start learning the Qur'an. Start tired, start busy, start imperfect. The Qur'an doesn't come to judge you, it comes to heal you. To register and receive further details, please join the official WhatsApp group using the link in the caption. If this video helped you, like it so it reaches more Muslimahs. Share it with a sister, maybe Allah will change her Ramadan through you, and follow for more Qur'an-based reminders and Ramadan content. Let this Ramadan be different. Let this Ramadan be Qur'an-centered. May Allah make us among the people of the Qur'an. Ameen.
وأكون للخير العميم مثالا أسمو وأجتاز السماء جلالا فأزيد أسراب الغيوم جمالا وألون الدنيا بأجمل بسمة وأكون للخير العميم مثالا وأراقب الرحمن جل جلاله وتقدست أسماؤه وتعالى وأكون